Hello, hola, hello, 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 hello. Oh, a little power action, power hour action. Let's do it. Get the headphones on. Let's do a little music. Let's get a little music. Tom Sabo guarantee ever get hit? Did it? Oh, never did. Didn't make it to the Tom Sabo guarantee. I don't know what the punishment will be, but there's got to be something, right? Got to be some kind of punishment for Tom Sabo. Got to be some kind of punishment for Tom Sabo. Um, do I want to kind of grinding higher? What up, Nissim? 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 Did it do what I thought it would do? So it didn't quite touch that imbalance, and then we didn't quite make new lows. Kinda. Kinda did what we thought. But that being said, I think now that we are above on the 15 minutes, let's see here. We already hit it. Yeah, we kind of have. I mean, this is a good liquidity pool up here at 948. Of course, we're like 50 points below that. 930, possibly. I don't think we have enough time to make it up here. Put an OB there, pull back, boom, went higher. We still left that level way down there at the 640s. I mean, I do think longs maybe. Kind of see what happens. We don't have to run the 930s, but it is possible. Look for maybe 10 points with like a 10-point stop. Try to get a few more dollars on the stake profit trader account. We're up 450, 445 on it right now. So I don't know. The lean is still potentially up. Yes, kind of got above the 50 there, pushed into the 71 area. See what Mancini thinks. Let the runners work for 80 to 83. Okay. It's all bonus. All right, we'll see what happens. I don't want to do anything too crazy here. We'll look for a spot to take some trades. Otherwise, we might take a trade. Oh, look at that. There it goes. All right. Might crash. It might, Mr. Ponzi. I don't think it will, but I don't know. I could be wrong. You'll probably know it about the 730 mark. Somewhere in there. Oh, the top is in. I mean, it might be. I don't know. We still got some liquidity up there that we could run. We don't have to. But there is some liquidity there. What up, Amelia? Look at her go. Yeah, it looks like it wants to run that 930. Did we close above here? No, we didn't. I could take this. Stops a little. I mean, like, really. I don't know where the stop would be. Still got 40 minutes to break hearts and steal souls. That's true. Right, I'm going to take a shot here. Yeah, that's not the reaction we really wanted. I'm not really all that willing to move the stop down. Really at all. So I'm going to go break even above this wick. Oh, I can't even... What the hell is going on with my mouse? Dude, my mouse would not move. It would have been stop break even there, but... Alright, now let's go. Dude, what is going on with this today? Alright, see if we can run. What up, Renier? I don't want it to stop me out here, but it looks like it might. Come on, rip it up. I want to take out that 930s. I really want to target kind of the 930. Above this wick. I'm going to move and lock some in. Come on. Stop me out, break even there. I gotta change the battery in my room. Change the battery. See if Husk is up. I didn't see Husk on Mr. Ponzi. I looked for him. I'm gonna jump back in here. Max is barking. You know, I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Probably a bad thing. I don't know. I think my son just got here. Let me open the door for him. Hold on one second. Well, that sucks there. Get back some profits. Thought that would make that through there. I guess that's what we get for taking that setup after the fact there. Maxie, stop the barking. Chill. All right, let's see here. Kind of approaching this 1 minute trend line that we got going here. You couldn't pass an eval if your life depended on it? Yeah. I feel you. A lot of wicks down here. Oh, do we have equal lows here? We do. Marking out a few areas here. That would be 16 points. And I'm going to go ahead and take this. And let's look for these equal lows. Really want to see this close below the yellow line there. Really just want it to come on and run. You know what? I should probably target lower. So I'm kind of thinking now. Maybe 60. That'll be 25, 2500. Can't even, I don't think I can take it. I can't even think take it to the 60. We'll see what happens. So we'll go to break even at 69. So there's the close. We'll go down to break. We'll go to break even at 69. Yeah, I'm on eval, Jacob. What's up? I am on a take profit trader eval here. This should go down to 69 here. I'm gonna go break even once we hit 69. And I can't make more than 750 in a day on this, so I think where my take profit is fine. Should kind of get me there. If we can get there. And let me see here. Where's that? Okay. $69 and then 55. Just kind of looking over here. I'm also in the short over here on another eval as well. I want to see the run through 69. And then I actually should go break even now if we get back below this low here. That will be break even. Doing good, nonstop trader. We're green today. But with equal lows below, I should probably just wait for the equal lows to hit. What time is it? 3:26. See if this thing can move down lower here. So again, could go break even right back below this low here, but I think with the equal lows down here at 69, those should hit. Should at least. And ultimately I want to see the 55 really hit. 55 really should hit. That's initial balance high there. So could go break even now. I mean, that would be fine. We created a swing, went back below it. But with the equal lows, I think I'm going to wait. Let's see if we can pull back there. Yeah, I'm green on fundage, Jacob. They're right there. You can see them. 20 times 160. So let's see here. Is this thing not going to take out the 69 level? I mean, come on. What are you doing? It should. I may not give this much room into the red here. I don't want to give back a ton of profits, but especially if we pop above 95, I'll probably just take it off then. Let's see if this thing wants to push down lower. Kind of line in the sand here. Want to see some acceleration down now. Come on, we're coming up on the 330 in less than 45 seconds here. Let's see if that gives us the push lower that we need here. What up, JX? Now we'll probably go break even below this swing this time. If it doesn't hit on this next candle, then that would be worrisome. In fact, I'm going to move my stop kind of to there. Let's see if it wants to go. Yeah, nice, JX. I am too. I'm going to try to get the 5 accounts with them. All right, 2 seconds. Let's see what happens. Come on, get back below this wick here. Get back below this low, and I'm going to go break even. Try to be patient here. Trying to be patient. Maxie's barking. I don't know what that means. Is that up or down? I don't know. Max. Trev says she'll go. Which way, Trev? Down? That was my thought, but my way. Perfect. Let's get in the gym, JX. Appreciate you. Yeah, I went to the gym this morning. You'll see it on the next video. 1 hour of cardio. Your back aches, yeah. Go your own way. I will go to break even below the low there. Below the swing. Put the stop in at break even. Heck, I could just take profit there, to be honest, but with these equal lows down here, I think they hit. So that's why I didn't want to move the stop on that last push down. But the roof is on fire. So let's see what happens here. $21 just crossed over the 50, also on the EMAs there. Yeah, we're back, Andy. I could potentially add here and just take one off sooner and take my full position off at the equal lows. I could do that. This be a spot to do it right here. All right, let's do it. So now, well, that's probably a bad ad. All right, got killed there on that. Dang, now I'm down $300. After I was green, $300. I mean, is this thing really just gonna push right back up? Kind of looks that way, huh? Wait and see what happens as the ES approaches the 66 there. The ES kind of gets back above that 66. I'll probably jump back in long. Stevie did let us down. Oh, it kind of, yeah, I mean, it's kind of retesting that trend line now. Can I have like this 1 minute trend line here? What up, Oracle? A little push back up here. Back to the whole number there. Doo, 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 doo. Bound to be a few bubbles. Yeah, it's just one of those spots where maybe I should have taken profit. I mean, I was just going for the standard 10. It gave me the 10 on the first push down. And I don't know. I moved it down to 69 to try to get the equal lows there, but that's all right. Maybe we should just keep it at the 10. Maybe move one scale, something like that. We'll see. Double-headed monster head and shoulders. Yeah, it kind of looks that way. If the 30-second closes, I'll probably reparticipate short. But it's not right now. I'll go back in with 2 here. There's the 30-second close. I'm going to go 1 for now because of this. The 1 minute hadn't closed. Wow, just getting my face ripped off today. Getting the face ripped off. You just can't full port blue 3 evals trying, yeah. Yeah, I'm done with the full port for, not done with it, but you know, not taking the full port. Not on these anyway, but this ultimately might go. It probably goes down. It just, you know, stopped me out first. We will try it again. We might. We'll try it again. Kind of looking bullish here, right? Yeah, Max barking. ES at the 66 now. All right, let's see if price wants to move back down from here. The ES tested in 66 there might turn us back down. We'll see. I feel like we're probably just going back to the highs though, but we'll see. I can kind of do something like this. And just have the stop above the high there. And then we can add into it if it continues to push down. If we close below 885 on the 1 minute, that would be good confluence that this thing's probably going lower. We probably can add into that. All right, there's my close. Jump in there on this second one, see if this thing wants to push through there. And as soon as I enter, it will just push right back up. Dirtiness. Kind of hit that 1 minute trend line there though, huh? Kind of hit the 1 minute trend line. Loot, I got off earlier. I wasn't on. I got off at like 11:30, 12 o'clock, something like that. This thing is just chopping back and forth. It's just going to rip me a new rear end. It's going to go back up now. Look at this thing. If this thing doesn't, I mean, if we hold this 1 minute trend line, I'm going to switch to longs. Where's my first, oh, it's down there. Got to get through the 90s here. I want to see that 880 fairly quickly. Just want to get out at the 1 minute trend line, go break even. Yeah, it looks like it, Loot. Bring in the red donkey candles. That's not the red donkey candle that we were looking for. I'm about to go back to just taking my range trades. Oh, goodness. Just chopping back and forth here. the big shoes tomorrow. Could be. I don't know. Let's move these stops up. We are it's kind of ranging here. We are short kind of at the bottom of the range. And, yeah, it's not quite how we want to be playing it. Kind of got a little short-term 1 minute. Max is barking as well, so. At least take me out of my first position down here at the 880. That would be nice. I'll feel better about it if it could just do that. Probably should move the stop to break even. You know, kind of like 885. Should probably. So let's see what happens. I'm going to move the stop, reduce risk here. Just get out if it pushes up. Something like this. So a 10-point stop here. And again, around 85, I think I'm going to go break even if we get there. And we got the murder bot here in about 4 minutes. All right, stop this out. I don't know. We probably got what, like, we got like $500 in drawdown left on this account. So got to get into like a little bit of a scalp mode here. Get this stuff back. Let's see if we get through this high here. I'm going to go break even above the wick. Just looking for a little scalp here. See if we can't get it. Right now. Push on through there or don't. Yeah, I mean, this is failing to go low. It's like it's not wanting to go lower, so probably looking for it to just continue higher here, especially if the ES reclaims 66. So if we get another pullback into the 1 minute trend line here, we'll probably just long. We'll just long it. Let's see here. Let's see what we get. Still have those equal lows down there at 69. That's the thing. I thought that for sure we'd run those, but hasn't done it. Hasn't done it. Maybe it does it now. 2 minutes and 20 seconds before the train takes off. No, before the 350 algorithm, that is. I mean, you do, man, I don't know, man. I want to take a short because you got trend line liquidity here. You got equal lows below. Like, it just seems like that's where it's going to go, but I don't know. I like to, before the 350 algo, I like to look and see where like where I think liquidity is sitting, and it kind of feels like this kind of trend line. It's not perfect, but 3-4 touches, equal lows below. Feels like this is where it's going to run to. Of course, I could just be wrong. So 1 minute before the 350 algo here. All right, I'm going to short it here. And I'm going to take it off at the 69. This might blow this account. I think that the market on close is going to take us down. So 40 seconds. I think it runs this trend line liquidity, takes us through 69. This will be like a 30-point win, which still won't get us back to green, but, you know, if we break through the trend line here at the MOC, then I may add to the winner. 10 seconds. Let's see what happens. And again, we only got 500 in drawdown, a little less probably. So if this pushes up at all, we're probably just gone. All right, here we go. Yep, it did not go down. That is not the direction that we were thinking. $9.30. Looks like it's going to take out this 930 area. So there you go. We're just wrong. We were just wrong. You ever been wrong? I was wrong. You're long. Let's go. Good job. Yes, just bonered above the 66 there. I want to see it get back above this high here and push through the 948. I did enter long over here on the Bulenox. This thing is like just. It's going to go break even there on that one. I think I'm going to try to we'll spread these out a little bit. Get a push through here. Yeah, that account got smoked, unfortunately. But it was a free account. Not that it matters. I did enter long basically right where it stopped me out on the other one, so. Let's see if it wants to continue to push up. All right. Let's throw some stops in here. Let's see here. Let's get these stops in. Need 950. Yeah, that's the next level up that I had marked, 948. We'll see if it makes it to there. It might stop me out before it does. Can't really... All right, stop me out on one of those. Still in one. Can she go? Got the 355 algo. Actually, in less than a... Oh, wait. I'm on the 30-second chart. More than a minute, but 30 seconds. I mean, if it does push us up, we really could go here. All right, I'm adding right here, see if it pushes through the 50 now. We are full port now. Let me get out of those 4 there. Get into the 960 here, potentially. Can't really let this go red. Let's see here. Move this stop up here to there. Should get through that 60, I would imagine. I don't really want to put the stop in for the 60 one here. I want to see it just go. Guess we should have been looking for longs. I don't know. I kind of thought longs initially, but then I changed my mind. I mean, this thing's just going. I mean, where are we going to end up? 990? Where are we going? 990? $990 all the way up there. Let's see, ES approaching the 80. Let's see where we're at when the ES hits that 80. Let's see what happens here. May add back in long into the close. Oh, I don't want to do 5 though. We'll do see if we go. Okay. Let's see where the ES is at 80. Once ES gets to 80, then that's when I'll consider taking profit here. See if we can make our way up to 90 before ES hits 80. I don't know if we can. It's going to have to go if it's going to go. Got a minute and a half left here. I kind of want to add again above the highs. Coming into the final minute here, I think we just moonshot. Do we just moonshot here? Let's see. So far the bears are holding it down here. I'm going to add here. See if we get it up to the 70. And I'm going to move the stops up here. I don't want to give up too much in this final 30 seconds, but I think if the bulls can take over here, we can really go, but they may not. Nope. 10 seconds, 12 seconds. All right, stop me out. Going okay, Stop Tiger. How you doing, Stock Tiger? Going okay. We blew 2 accounts today, just like evals, but still. I don't know why Bulenox does this. I just hit buy, and like right at close. You ever notice that with Bulenox, how it freezes right at close? And then it's gonna come back, and it's gonna have me in 3. Like, there we go. Let's see what I mean. Have me in 3 way up there when I bought, like right here when the candles are in green. At least on the first position. Let's see. Should have listened to Max. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know why it does that. I don't know why it does that. It does, though. Let's see if we can push back through the highs here. Come on, you can do it. Close your eyes and buy. That's what we should do. All right, here we go. Above the high, I'm going to go stop to break even. I'm going to watch, same idea as a minute ago. I'm going to watch the ES. Let's see if the ES can make it up to the 80. See how high that takes us. ES not at the highs yet. What I might do is use my stop as the take profit. Although I'm not very good at that. You know, like Jay does, where he just like follows it up. Get up there! Get up there, cuss at it. You SOB! More! All right, I'm locking that in. Baby gains. Oh. All right, there we go. Oh. Anyways. I thought ES was going to tap the 80 at close. It really just kind of shook me out there. I could have held that through the drawdown, but I don't know. We were long for it. I mean, we had 15 or 20 points in drawdown, but that's all right. Oh, Max is barking. ES just tapped 58.80. So we are up 1250 on this new 50K. And then we blew one of the, I think we blew it. Did we blow it? The Take Profit Trader 25K? I don't know. We may have $25 left. It's all right. And then you see my Apex accounts there. Yeah, no worries, John. I had a good time, even though we didn't really trade the way we wanted to. I don't know why. I just got hung up on. I mean, I got hung up on this. We have LRLR here. It's not perfect. It's not great. But then we have the equal lows at 69. Like, how do we not take those out? So I don't know. I kind of got stuck on those. Even though as this kept holding this, I should have known, like right in here, I should have known this to be long. I still was short. I mean, that's a pretty good last 10-minute move. 80 points. Last 10 minutes. Not bad. Not bad. All right, well, if you guys haven't already, hit the like button for me. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. We'll be back tomorrow, 9:15 a.m. Use my coupon codes if you guys want to help support the channel. 91% off Bulenox, 50% off Take Profit Trader, and 30% off of Tradeify. And I don't even know, what is there? 10% off My Funded Futures. And also picked up codes for Fideas and daytraders.com if you guys want to check them out. Coupon codes MM. We'll see you guys next time.